Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. First of the highlights. Court sentences 3 persons to death by hanging over rape and murder of an undergraduate in Ilorin. Senate suspends review of redesigned Naira notes. APC presidential candidate promises to tackle banditry and insecurity troubling northwest Nigeria. Justice Ibrahim Yusuf of Kwara State High Court has sentenced 3 accused persons to death by hanging over rape and murder of a 300-level undergraduate of the University of Ilorin, Omowumi Blessing Olajide. 2 other accused persons were sentenced to 6 years in prison, while 3 were discharged and acquitted. Omowumi Blessing Olajide was raped and murdered at her Tanke residence around University of Ilorin on the 2nd of June 2021. 8 suspects, including accomplices, were arrested by operatives of the Department of State Security in connection with the crime. Abdulaziz Ismail, Ajala Moses Oluwatimilei, and Oyeyemi Timileyin Omogbolahon are the major suspects accused of raping and killing Omowumi. The Nigerian Senate has suspended consideration of a report by its Committee on Banking, Insurance, and Other Financial Institutions on the new policies by the Central Bank of Nigeria. The Senate had earlier resolved to consider the report at plenary today, following its earlier directive to the committee to interact with officials of the Apex Bank on the modalities surrounding the policies and report back with its findings. At plenary, a member of the committee, Senator Adetunbi Olubumi, explained to lawmakers that the committee had met with the deputy governors of the Apex Bank when they appeared before it for the confirmation of their reappointment and have gathered necessary information regarding the new policies. A bill to amend the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission Act 2004 has killed second reading at the Nigerian Senate. The bill seeks to, among other things, subject the termination of appointment of the chairman of the commission to the confirmation of the Senate. Sponsor of the bill, Senator Chukwuka Utazi, believes this amendment is necessary to ensure job security for the appointed chairman until the expiration of his or her tenure. What is perceived to be a persistent witch hunt and attacks targeted at the office of the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission may soon be over as the Nigerian Senate begin moves to control the process for the termination of the appointment of an incumbent chairman. The presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has promised to tackle banditry and other forms of insecurity troubling the Northwest region if elected president. This was part of his campaign promises to members of the party in the zone who converged on Kaduna on Tuesday for the flag-off of the presidential campaign in the region. Bola Tinubu had on Monday donated 50 million naira to families of victims of banditry on his visit to Birnin Gwari. Thousands of supporters of the APC converged on Ahmadu Bello Stadium in Kaduna for the flag-off of the party's presidential campaign in the Northwest. On the eve of this event, the presidential candidate of the party, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, together with his entourage, visited Birnin Gwari to sympathize with the emir and his people who have been in the direct line of fire by terrorists.